country was paper invented? A. Japan, B. China, C. Egypt. Correct answer is B. China. How long after birth does a human baby start walking? A. 6 months, B. 12 months, C. 24 months. Correct answer is B. 12 months. How many provinces are there in Pakistan? A. 4, B. 5, C. 6. Correct answer is A. 4. In which country was the first ambulance used? A. USA, B. France, C. UK. Correct answer is B. France. Which country is known as the land of gold and diamonds? A. Brazil, B. South Africa, C. Russia. Correct answer is B. South Africa. Which country has the most unique culture? A. Japan, B. India, C. Egypt. Correct answer is A. Japan. In which country was sugar discovered? A. India, B. China, C. Brazil. Correct answer is A. India. Which animal never dies and always remains alive? A. Tardigrade, B. Immortal jellyfish, C. Shark. Correct answer is B. Immortal jellyfish. Which fruit is called the queen of fruits? A. Mango, B. Lychee, C. Guava. Correct answer is B. Lychee. Where is the largest animal fair held in India? A. Pushkar, B. Sonpur, C. Nagaur. Correct answer is B. Sonpur. Where is the world's floating national park located? A. Manipur, B. Assam, C. Kerala. Correct answer is A. Manipur. Which animal has blue blood? A. Octopus, B. Starfish, C. Jellyfish. Correct answer is A. Octopus. Pongal is the festival of which Indian state? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Kerala, C. Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer is A. Tamil Nadu. Who was the first female ruler of India? A. Razia Sultan, B. Ahilya Bai Holkar, C. Lakshmi Bai. Correct answer is A. Razia Sultan. Where is the Hawa Mahal located? A. Jaipur, B. Delhi, C. Agra. Correct answer is A. Jaipur. When did Delhi become the capital of India? A. 1911, B. 1947, C. 1950. Correct answer is A. 1911. Which bird dies immediately if touched? A. Tituni, B. Sparrow, C. Crow. Correct answer is A. Tituni. Which company was tasked with providing the first 4G network on the moon? A. Nokia, B. Samsung, C. Apple. Correct answer is A. Nokia. On the banks of which river is India's capital, Delhi, located? A. Ganga, B. Yamuna, C. Saraswati. Correct answer is B. Yamuna. When was the Ganga declared a national river? A. 2005, B. 2008, C. 2010. Correct answer is B 2008.